going to Niagara Falls today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. My phone, she's very stush, and ever since she's been in Canada, she's not been liking the cold. So I'm gonna see how much footage I can get at Niagara Falls because my phone is an island girl. She's an island girl, and once it gets cold, it's no footage. So if you're wondering about, the very choppy vlogs, that's why. As soon as she got outside, she's like, But you're gonna say hi?
Oh.
No. It's like, no thanks. Nope. No thanks. We're getting ready to go, so we'll see you. Look at my tripod. What's left of my tripod? Good question.
The foot them size of love. The tripod is also an island girl.
Yeah. But the tripod is no longer a tri.
It's a unipod.
Yeah.
Unipod.
Oh my god. It just gives me stability up top. That's it. Nothing else. But when I get to the do, I'll see y'all.
Is that the
gonna try a beaver tail. Wait, is that the name of the thing, or is just like the brand?
That's a beaver. That's the name of this one. But it's also the brand.
We also got bubble teas. Mine is green tea. I think. What did I get? Passion fruit? Yeah, passion fruit. We're at the mall. Well, this is the outlet at Niagara Falls. It's cold as hell. we are across the road from Niagara Falls. We're just getting here. We were at the casino doing a bunch of stuff, trying to win some money. But we're gonna go across the way to Niagara Falls, which is like over there, where you see that blue like line right there. That's the fall. That's the US side. The US side of the fall. Yeah, it's cold. It's getting so cold now. But yeah, so we're gonna go and see it. But that's the US side. On the Canada side, it's kind of misty. You can't really see much. So we're gonna take a picture of the US updates. It is cold. Whew. Wait, that's the US too, or that's Canada side?
That's Canada.
Oh, but it's kind of clearing up.
It's clearing up now, yeah. You have to look at it when you're there.
Yeah.
Right.
It is cold. Get to go to the Ferris wheel. So exciting! Very exciting, very fun. And we're walking back like on the strip. Michael Myers, where are you? The clarity, you can actually see my phone screen now. I got a whole K-Mini for $48. I'm shook. Oh, I'll have to take the things out.
Push your fingers. No.
We're walking by faith, not by sight. Walking by faith, right? Come here, come.
Do you have it 114 or something, the source?
This was the one that was on sale?
There's two that was on sale, the source and Genesis.
Oh, this, yes. And it was like $98 and 100 and something. 100 and little bit.
Here?
Yeah, in Walmart. Guys, I got a K Mini. This is a Mini Plus. I got a Mini for $89. I got a Mini for $48 at Walmart, and they have them here for like $89 and $90. Oh, let me show what it is. This is the K Supreme. How much is that one? How much is the Supreme?
Where?
Right here.
$149.
Wow. But this one's white. What's this? Oh, for beans.
No,
Wait.
things are separate. On the side.
Oh, so it's like not long instead, it's wider.
That would
Yeah.
make it easier to know the differences.
Yeah. Like maybe list them or something. So yeah, this is the brand. And I got, wait, where's the one that I got? Hold on. This is the brand, and I got the K Mini. I think this is a Mini Plus, but I got the Mini, and mine was $48 in Walmart. So your girl's happy. You already know I love my coffee, so I had to get one. It was on my list of things to get when I was coming. You ain't gotta shop. Can't ever see the damn snow. Can't see nothing. That cold, Mom. We're at Canadian Tire right now. We're about to look. Oh, I forgot mask. You have mask? Huh? Wait, I think I have a mask in my pocket. I have a mask in my pocket. It's fine. I have my Studio 27 cold mask. Period. Yeah, so we're looking for suitcase. Well, a suitcase or a duffel bag to bring back with us. Because we kind of did too much while we've been here. But also, which way? But yeah, so we're looking for that right now. Today is Wednesday, by the way, and we leave. Well, Mom leaves on Friday and I leave on Saturday. So we are currently kind of in like a packing mode right now to go back to Jamaica. Well, how much are they? Can't see no price or anything. You can't see? Yeah, but like the ones on the top you can't see though.
Oh, the one at the very top.
Yeah, because I feel like those are the biggest ones. Or maybe not. Maybe it might be the same size actually. But we need like a really big suitcase. So I think eventually I'm gonna order like a set on Amazon. Like a set of suitcase. This is on sale for $69. Oh my god! No. For $69, ma'am? I mean, even though I feel like the ones in the mall were like $69, weren't they? This size. I think they were, actually. I remember seeing some at the mall for like $69. I want to buy a set eventually. So I don't know if I want to buy like color. But that would mean that I'll end up with 3 bags. Eventually, I'd like to buy a set. But I guess if I was to get like one of these today, I would just buy maybe something that match. But this $70 suitcase though, I mean, I'm thinking about it. This one is 99. Does this one extend? Yes, it does. Mom, these are 69 too, and I love this. This one, I like these, and these extend. These are nice. I like this. Yeah. But at least I'd finally own new suitcases, because I need new suitcases. I don't think have I ever owned suitcase in my life? I just use people's suitcase, like my mom's. You know. I guess. 9.75. So how much is this one? This is 7 pounds, 3 ounces. These are smaller. You need a big suitcase. This one is huge. I don't know. It's $59. At least you just have to add $59 to it. I mean $6 or whatever. But what size is this? I feel like we should get like a 28 or like a. This is what, 20? This is 20. I feel like we should get like a 28 or at least. Need something big. These are all 20s. Can't sit up there, so I don't know what size those are, but yeah, but we could ask them what sizes are those up there, like those big ones.
But that looks like the same size as these.
Yeah, it does. And that one's probably lighter. Those cloth ones are usually lighter. Well, sometimes. Yeah, we need assistance. Because these look like all 20 inches. This one says lightweight Swiss Alps. It's a brand. Yeah, we're gonna have to ask. Huh? You want a duffel? These are camping bags, sleeping bags. We're gonna go with this, but we're also gonna check Walmart. If Walmart has like suitcases and have cheaper options, then we're gonna return this one. Better because Walmart's closer than Canadian Tire right now. Hey! Guys, this soda stream thing is so popular here in Canada. I didn't even know about it until we went to Walmart the other day. And my brother copped one, love it. I'd get one if these were easy to find because you have to use these, like the flavored stuff, to actually get like the soda flavors. All it does is like carbonate the water. So you get like sparkling water for the low. But yeah, I feel like in Jamaica it'd be hard to find like the flavor stuff, so it wouldn't make sense getting one, you know, unless all I want is sparkling water at home for cheap. Who am I, child?
Anybody here?
Happy birthday. inside the pharmacy. I'm about to do my COVID test because I leave tomorrow. After I do my COVID test, we're gonna drop my mom at the airport because she leaves today and I leave tomorrow. So you have to do your COVID test like 24 hours to 72 to travel to Jamaica. So I'm here waiting. It's like almost 10 o'clock right now. By the way, y'all, the temperature is like -10 right now. It's freezing. It's freezing. As y'all know, it's my last day here. We brought mom to the airport earlier, as you guys would have seen, and I'm basically finished packing. I just finished packing and now I'm gonna like head to Costco to buy like some last minute stuff, to be honest. Not a lot of stuff, because I mean 2 of my suitcases are full and they're on the way, they're fine, and then I have a third one that's basically empty because I paid for 2 extra luggage a couple days ago, and then it ends up that I did not need all 3 because my mom went with 2. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go to Costco, get some stuff, and then this evening I'm gonna hang out with Vanessa for the last time. I'm gonna cry. Gonna hang out for the last time until I come back, whenever that is. But yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying my vlog so far. I would have taken a break since Vlogmas, and you know, I would have let you guys know that hey, I would go back to regular scheduled programming a couple of Sundays ago, but I had to take a break after Vlogmas because I mean it was like a lot of work to do Vlogmas, plus I was actually like on vacation. So once Christmas came, I kind of just decided to kind of sit back a little bit and not pressure myself with like posting with the same Vlogmas schedule up until New Year's, you know. Like I just gave myself a break. I kept vlogging, but I just stopped editing and posting and just took the little break, took the vacation. So I'm gonna be back on the grind, and you guys would have seen the other vlogs before this. So I hope you guys enjoy the Canada content. I'm gonna end this vlog today, and then I'm gonna give you guys a separate travel vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy that as well. Now it's starting to feel like winter. I said now it's starting to feel like winter. This is so nice. Oh, this is part of the creek. It's like a marsh.
Yeah. Marsh, and then there's like over the street, this actual street I passed. It's on into it. But the lower part here, marsh down. Salmon's coming to our truck. And lay the eggs. Lay the eggs.
It's crazy cold. Don't tell me why my brother looks so aesthetic every time he's in this jacket looking out.
Aesthetic. Freezing my ass.
You're freezing your ass. This is the first time I've heard you actually say you're cold.
Like my feet are my hand.
Yeah.
When I take it out to take the picture.
Yes.
Freezing.
Yeah, it is. Very cold.
My upper body is good with a jacket, but my feet.
Yeah, you don't have on thick socks. You give me all the thick socks and you
No,
don't
I
wear
have
any.
thick socks. I just lazy to go take them on. Because
Wow.
I'm in the house. I don't
Yeah.
wear. I don't wear.
And then your shoes is also open, so there's that. Like, but yeah. Coldest day since I've been here. Coldest. I don't know what the temperature is, but the wind. Whew. My face is frozen. Might be.
And the sun is setting, so it's getting a bit
And the
chilly.
sun is setting, yes. And it's probably like, what, 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah. The sun sets here by 4:30, so we're in the dark by 4:30-ish. It's a lot to get used to. It's nighttime at 4:30. And when it's 6 o'clock, you're like, wow, it feels like bedtime. Feels like 9 o'clock at 6 o'clock.
Going across the field.
Okay. Woo! It's a nice park.
The ground feels frozen. I feel them.
Is that why it feels like that?
Does it feel hard here?
Yeah, it does. It feels rock solid. Jeez. Feels like I'm walking on stone. That's crazy. Whew.
They put it in hashtag.
What? Coming here?
The trails.
Oh, doing the trails.
People travel and
Yeah.
because even though let's say go having cottages like go different towns
Mm-hmm.
and motel or hotel stay.
Just to do the trails.
The trails are only going to trails. And some of the trails are actually decent with like things to do. That's
Mhm.
So like there's one that had Tobermory,
Yeah.
where they have like a ferry with like the cars and trucks can go in it. There's a trail there that people they like kids stuff there and a trail with snakes and all that stuff, you know what I mean?
Wow.
And it's like free.
That one
Most of
sounds
it's free.
exciting. I said that one sounds exciting. From here, snake and them something there, you know. Just like, yes, sign me up. Woo! Warmth. Wow.
That's that nice game. Feels like minus 16 with that thing.
Okay, I know what minus 16 feels like. I can't feel my face.
I know that the heat, the warm people have been contemplating on soups.
They could have given us warm alcohol, warm drink.
That's never wondered any of
No.
There's two potato What is it?
Yeah, it's like a burger restaurant. Like almost like a McDonald's.
You help me?
But it's burgers, but it's like grass, like non-hormone beef and it's like not. I think all grass and
Grass-fed beef.
The only fast food I've had is McDonald's. Like the food is better here, and the quality of the food is better.
and the portions make sense. Yeah.
It's
It's tasty from Jamaica.
Yeah.
You thought I was talking about Jamaica?
No, I just want to get up.
You thought I was talking about Jamaica?
No. He loves Jamaica. Listen. When it comes on the food in Jamaica, Patrick knows it's superior. You should see him at KFC.
It's been amazing vlog content, but then I didn't start filming. You know?
And like,
Yes, can you like go back and start over?
Wait, well, like, come, give me
Are you about to? Oh, you can't.
Can't stop.
I'm just trying to get this sign.
Wait, what are you?
I'm trying to get the sign for you.
On the Starbucks.
No, it's hard to get the whole thing.
She's a vlogger now or whatever.
No, child. I'm just trying to get you one clip.
Guys, ring pops. There's 3, 1 for each of us.
First of all,
we need this.
what the hell is that?
Don't you get to have one?
Actually, I might get one.
Ring pop, 1 for all of us.
3.
Are you gonna bring some candy to bring back home?
I did. I bought some. I did buy some, but it's giving Valentine's. It is January. Slow your roll. No, but tell me why this look like I'm calling you Brian. Why does this look like the expensive brand?
Listen, it's
called?
the aesthetic.
You know what brand
Until
I'm
you
talking-
feel it and it's just plastic.
You know
it's
what brand
not.
I'm talking about, right? Not the Dove. Is this real?
Yeah. This one too. I don't know.
It's giving Is it Bombers? No. Dr. Bombers?
This Dr. Bronner's, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. But like, it looks glossy.
And this is giving Lush.
I love the lubricant. I love. Look, that's like the best like lotion for dry skin.
Is it though in winter? The thing with Dollarama though, it's like they're like $1 plus tax.
No.
You know, $4. You know, $4.
$4.
That's really what it is. You know. We want $1. You're nice. You know, in my head I was like, oh my god, this would be fun on the plane.
Shower. Stop.
You know, you said facialness. Did I tell you?
Your mom.
It is giving Mr. Question though. Not the scarf collection. And what the hell is that? It's giving collection, mitten collection, period.
Ashley, you didn't come to Canada unless.
Please.
Listen, look on you.
Not the whole Canada section. No, this is what I need, the bucket hat. I'm not getting it though.
Actually, this is what you need.
Oh my god, I'm not even looking at you right now. You see how hard I'm ignoring you?
The vlog would agree.
Like, we'd like to close now. Get out. Get out. Not y'all actually picking things up. I'd be like, do I need candy? Like, do I need candy? It's my favorite part. The candy. I'm like, What did you get? 2-pack. What is that?
Wonder Bar. I like it because it has some candy.
Why does that look like Butterfingers?
Oh, it kind of, actually, it's very similar to Butterfingers.
So it's a knockoff. It's dollar store knockoff. I mean, it would kind of be the same anyway. In a dollar store. You put it back?
I put it back. I'm getting that. I'm doing this.
Not the Pepto. Oh. Is too good.
Yeah. Like this. Yeah. I was like, and this is supposed to be the English language.
And then they're like, oh my god, he's so fit. And they're like, yeah, I know, he's so fit. Oh my god. Like when I'm all set to get on, a new guy walks in.
Yeah. Like, yeah,
Oh my
like, he
God.
walked in and I saw it.
Like, did you see him?
Yeah. The first thing I take to my was he's like proper fit. Oh, it's proper fit!